guys, here in Dallas, and I am on the mission to find Chick-fil-A. So hopefully we can find one. I think it's like in Terminal C, something like that. So I'm about to get on there and head over there. I found the chicken of fillets, guys. Chick-fil-A.
That's how you get back and forth?
The crew tunnel?
That's crazy.
Yeah, it is.
These racks work. You're the bottom one first. One of these is the one they had at the air show.
This one.
This one?
Yeah. It's F-111s. I remember seeing these before I joined. Mm-hmm.
Asher and Jason, smile. 1, 2, 3.
The interior looked cool. I think it'd be terrible to actually drive.
Oh yeah.
Just the powertrain looks like it.
The Osprey, right?
Oh, starting the same year I was born. This old girl. Navigator. Kitchen.
Oh jeez. Oh my gosh. Yep. Yeah. All right, guys, we are back. It was a perfect time to get the traveling diecast car in my hands because of the trip that I went on. So my job actually requires a lot of traveling, so please bear with me when it comes to mail calls and sending out packages and all that good stuff. This job is pretty busy, but I absolutely love it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I tried to take you along. We landed in Dallas to Ohio, back to Charlotte, and then back home. So it was a good week away, but of course being away from family is always rough. But at the same time, it was real short, real sweet. I did pick up some goodies. Stay tuned for that video. There's a whole bunch of stuff here. So as you guys saw, I did take Ruby out to the first car show I've had in a long time, and she brought home the gold. So it was the annual All Ford Car and Truck Show. There was a lot of Mustangs there. I didn't film everything because there was a lot. There was like 50 plus cars, but awesome. I handed out about 125-ish, maybe 130 Hot Wheels to the kids just to give back to them. You know, it was good seeing smiles on their face when they heard that they were free. I was like, hey, grab a free Hot Wheel, you pick it, I don't care which one. I also handed out channel stickers. All the kids were super excited. So it was really good to bring Ruby out and showcase the Hot Wheels Mustang in the local area. A lot of people haven't seen it that often because it's usually in the garage because of the weather, but it was a great time. So again, huge shout out to Skip's Diecast for sending this my way. If you want a chance to get this car in your hands so you can do a traveling diecast as well, comment Firebird, not in this video, I'll have the link down below, but it is a short video of me flying with this car, which you saw in this video. I'll have that linked down below. Comment in that video, Firebird, and I'll do a random generator like we always do to see who wins it, and I'll have it sent out to you. But again, awesome opportunity and perfect timing to travel for my job and bring this along. So that is all we have for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up, and of course comment down below. And until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.